three watches that have been in space. Horology and space exploration have a long history together. Precision timing is crucial for coordinating missions, tracking spacecraft, and conducting experiments in space. Horological innovations have enabled astronauts to perform their duties with accuracy and reliability. Furthermore, the extreme conditions of space serve as an important testing ground for horological advancements, pushing the boundaries of timekeeping technology. As humanity continues to reach for the stars, the collaboration between horology and space exploration will undoubtedly lead to further breakthroughs in both fields. The Breitling Navitimer Cosmonaut stands as a prestigious timepiece deeply rooted in the pioneering era of space exploration, offering a blend of technical prowess and enduring style. Born from the iconic Navitimer collection, the Cosmonaut variant embodies the spirit of adventure and precision that has defined Breitling's legacy. Originally designed for astronauts, the Navitimer Cosmonaut made history in 1962 when astronaut Scott Carpenter wore the timepiece during the Aurora 7 space mission, making it the first Swiss chronograph to venture into space. This monumental achievement solidified the cosmonaut's status as a symbol of space exploration and technological innovation. The distinguishing feature of the Navitimer Cosmonaut is its 24-hour dial, a design element crucial for astronauts operating beyond the confines of Earth's day-night cycle. This adaptation allowed wearers to distinguish between day and night, a critical function in the realm of space travel where traditional timekeeping conventions no longer apply. The robust construction of the Navitimer Cosmonaut, coupled with its precise chronograph capabilities, reflects Breitling's unwavering commitment to crafting instruments of unparalleled reliability for the most demanding environments. The watch's enduring appeal lies in its ability to seamlessly blend aerospace functionality with timeless design aesthetics, making it a coveted timepiece for both aviators and watch aficionados. As a testament to Breitling's dedication to pushing the boundaries of horological innovation, the Navitimer Cosmonaut continues to capture the imagination of those drawn to the romance of space exploration and the enduring allure of precision timekeeping. Its legacy as a pioneering space watch ensures its place as an enduring icon in the realm of both watchmaking and human achievement. The Bulova lunar pilot holds a significant place in the annals of space exploration, representing a fusion of precision timekeeping and historical milestones. Inspired by the watch worn during the Apollo-15 mission, this timepiece pays homage to Bulova's enduring connection to space exploration and technological advancement. Originally, the Bulova lunar pilot made its mark during the Apollo-15 mission in 1971, when astronaut David R. Scott downed a prototype Bulova chronograph on the lunar surface. This was because the crystal of his Omega Speedmaster had popped off. This event marked the culmination of Bulova's collaboration with NASA, resulting in the creation of a timepiece that would forever be intertwined with humanity's conquest of space. The design of the lunar pilot mirrors the rugged resilience and technical precision required for space exploration. Boasting a robust stainless steel case and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the watch exhibits durability suitable for the most demanding environments, both on and off the Earth. Symbolizing a pivotal chapter in both horological and space history, the Bulova lunar pilot serves as a tangible link to humanity's forays beyond the confines of our planet. Its rich heritage and association with space exploration make it an emblem of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of technical excellence in the face of extraordinary challenges. The Bulova lunar pilot, with its prominent role in space exploration, represents a powerful convergence of cutting-edge engineering, enduring legacy, and unwavering spirit of exploration. Its place in the pantheon of space-worn timepieces ensures that it remains an enduring inspiration to those captivated by the wonders of the cosmos and the relentless march of human progress. The Omega Speedmaster's historic distinction as the first watch on the Moon is a testament to its enduring legacy and unwavering reliability in the face of unprecedented challenges. During the monumental Apollo-11 mission in 1969, astronaut Buzz Aldrin famously wore his Omega Speedmaster Professional while setting foot on the lunar surface, thus etching the iconic timepiece into the annals of space exploration history. The Speedmaster, with its precision, engineering, and resilience, had been rigorously tested and ultimately selected by NASA for use in space missions. Its designation as the Moonwatch solidified its status as an instrument well equipped to withstand the harsh conditions of outer space, including extreme temperatures, intense vibrations, and microgravity. The Omega Speedmaster's presence during the Apollo 11 lunar landing serves as a poignant reminder of human innovation and the pursuit of excellence. Its role in this epochal event not only symbolizes Omega's technical prowess, but also represents a triumph of human ingenuity as we ventured beyond the bounds of our home planet. The unparalleled distinction of being the first watch on the Moon cements the Omega Speedmaster's place in history, and its legacy continues to inspire watch enthusiasts, space aficionados, and those captivated by the remarkable achievements of space exploration.